280 lang ko yan.
280.
More or less 280. 280.
Pati yung nag-host dun.
Ay, pati nung nabuhos mo para.
Kung pag-50 mo, hindi mo pipila. Yung nag-host dun, ganun namin, magkatangin din dun.
So this machine is 3 years old. Something wore out, and it created a challenge for us. So we're going to take a look at what's going on with it. So the shaft comes from here. So if you look at the side, it would be right there in relation to these gears. So this machine is 3 years old, and there isn't a maintenance plan in place, so it's important to have one. So this is the old broken part, and this is the new part. So this is the pusher, which is worn out, and these are the new one. So in these one they're removing the supporting gear. I don't know how to call it. So they're installing the new parts.
Ayun niya? Nagabo?
Ano yung matis mo? Rami ko mga...
Dadagol din rami na nagditi. Dadagol. Ang kumapatayag. Sige bay. Sige bay. Oh, ata, sige, duksul mo. Guray, guray. Guray, hanggang kitong-kitong. Okay. Okay. Patang mo. Ata, so ata. Pagkin na mo daan, mo lang. Padayam, padubok mo din padayam, paligusan.
So installing the
Baliktad. Yay, yay.
equipment and stuff.
Guray, guray.
So doing a maintenance on this kind of machine is tough. So but they need to be maintained. So again, 2 years worth, if it's from new, 2 years worth of use without maintenance. After that it needs to be maintained. Parts will wear out. Thanks for watching.